Representing the residents, the long-term vision for the Residents Association in terms of an improvement in municipal services and local governance in Harare.
Yeah, I think what is very, very important, Rumbi, let me first go back to short-term plan for Mbare. The local authority, mayor, should crack his whip on his workers so that they can start to go to Mbare, clean the bathrooms and toilets. That's number one. Number two,
so cleaning for now is enough.
Cleaning, right? Number one. That's the first one. And the second one is attending to the chokes, the blockages. So this needs to be done by tomorrow, because this is a serious. We are in a serious.
But my workers can't come and clean. Is there someone in this day and age who goes into a bathroom and expects someone else to clean their bathroom?
Okay, I think that will be another debate, Mayor, for another day. But again, you realize, according to their contractual obligations, which I think probably, Mayor, you could have also go back to the contract to say, let's revise and reform. Wait. It's a communal system. It's a communal system. It's a communal system.
That's where you're staying. It's like a garage.
So in Mbare,
Masojano Garama Hostel, everyone on Garama Hostel.
So you're saying it's their responsibility, but
employer Munu. You open them tirumbi.
So maybe probably that may be probably from the sentiments which the mayor is highlighting this. We are not then shocked by what's really happening in Mbare.
But I'm honestly, it's a cultural thing, my brother. And zeta uti munhu arase marara achifunga kuti pane munhu achayazizodi.
No, they're cleaning. But the primary responsibility, Mayor, I think the primary,
they are cleaning.
They are cleaning. Yeah. They are cleaning. But wait.
Some blockages.
Yeah. So people are cleaning toilets. I know a guy. So I think the first thing which probably the mayor needs to agree in this room is that they just need to send all the workers they've employed to clean the toilets in Mbare and send them home. That's the first point.